Satisfy your sweet tooth with our easy French chocolate coffee cake recipe. Bonjour and welcome to our channel where we share delicious recipes from all around the world. Today, we're excited to show you how to make a French chocolate coffee cake that's perfect for any occasion. This decadent dessert is a combination of rich chocolate and bold coffee flavors, making it a real treat for coffee and chocolate lovers alike. So, let's get started. To make this delicious cake, you'll need the following ingredients. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 eggs. 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, cooled. 1/2 cup milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9-inch, 23 centimeters cake pan. In a medium bowl, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, until well combined. Mix in the coffee, milk, and vanilla extract until well combined. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Stir in the chocolate chips. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, dust the top of the cake with powdered sugar and serve with a hot cup of coffee. And there you have it, a delicious French chocolate coffee cake that's perfect for any occasion. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. And as always, bon appetit! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.